The UK degree is recognized worldwide.
I was amazed when I moved here.
I think living in Oxford is a very lovely experience. You just feel like you are born in the film.
Brookes, without a doubt, stood out as the best place to go. It was sort of a no-brainer.
This is an institution that knows what they are doing. It's a place where I can get the right people around me to push me to that next phase of my career.
I like to overcome challenges. Brookes has built up my confidence and helped me become a more determined person.
I've always been encouraged to be confident in my own work, and that definitely solidified my skills and prepared me for the real world.
The academic advisors have given me different perspectives that helped me to reflect on what I truly like and what I truly enjoy.
The lecturers are very well connected to the industry. A lot of them have come from the industry already.
I really found myself in the art scene of Oxford. There's a massive creative community in the city.
Everything feels magical.
So walkable, so you can get everything within 15 minutes.
I've met incredible friends here. I think we definitely stay in touch long after graduation.
Brookes gave me a real world focus, and this has really set me up for my career.
The job market here is probably the best in the world for motorsport. The UK is the place to go.
In the future, I would like to design cities that makes people feel welcomed, just like how Oxford makes me feel.
It's like a dream to be here, so I am very happy and pleased to be learning at Oxford Brookes University.